time to go. But first, let's remember all the fun things we did today. First, we hiked up Gabba Mountain and learned about nature.
We are going camping.
Then we roasted s'mores, told stories, and camped out overnight.
It's s'mores time.
Finally, we reached the top of the mountain and met a friend named Barbara.
You made it to the top of Gabba Mountain.
We had such a great day in nature. Now it's time to dance.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Well, let's do it. I'll break it down.
We are going camping.
I think today would be a great day to go camping.
Let's go!
Hi, Toodee.
Hi, DJ Lamb.
I love nature.
That sounds like fun.
I love nature.
Our story song. Let's roast s'mores and sing along. There's a s'more party in my tummy.
We found nature in the air. Birds flying everywhere.
My legs want to lay down.
I had a great time today.